Decorating for Christmas doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With a bit of ingenuity, you can transform your home into a festive wonderland without stretching your budget. By repurposing everyday items, using natural elements, and tapping into DIY charm, you'll create decorations that are both stunning and cost-effective. Budget-friendly doesn't mean sacrificing beauty. Think of handmade wreaths, paper garlands, and ornaments crafted from recycled materials. These touches not only save money but also bring a personalized warmth to your holiday decor. Moreover, sustainable decorations reduce waste, aligning perfectly with eco-conscious living. This guide is designed to inspire, offering practical ideas and creative twists on traditional decor. Whether you're looking to adorn your tree or dress up your mantel, these budget-friendly ideas will ensure your home radiates holiday cheer. Your Christmas tree becomes a canvas for creativity when you craft your own ornaments. Use scraps of fabric to create rustic bows, upcycle old bottle caps into mini wreaths, or paint pine cones in shimmering metallics. Children can join the fun, designing paper snowflakes or salt dough shapes to hang proudly. Materials you already have can become the star of the show. For instance, mason jar lids wrapped in plaid fabric create charming rustic ornaments. Even simple items like cinnamon sticks tied with a ribbon add a fragrant, festive touch. The beauty of DIY ornaments lies in their uniqueness. No store-bought decoration can match the charm of something you made with love. Plus, it's a wonderful way to involve the whole family in holiday preparations. Nature offers a treasure trove of decoration possibilities at no cost. Gather pine branches, holly sprigs, or eucalyptus to create centerpieces, garlands, or simple table settings. Pair these with candles or fairy lights for a sophisticated yet affordable look. Pine cones can be painted white for a snowy effect or dusted with glitter for a magical sparkle. Twigs bundled with red ribbon can become mini Christmas trees or wall art. Even dried orange slices and cranberries strung together make for beautiful, fragrant garlands. By incorporating natural elements, you not only save money but also add a timeless charm to your holiday decor. These pieces blend seamlessly with any style, from traditional to modern. The art of upcycling transforms mundane objects into festive masterpieces. Empty jars become snow globes with a sprinkle of glitter and mini figurines. Cardboard boxes can be wrapped creatively to mimic oversized presents, perfect for porch decor. Even old sweaters can be repurposed into cozy stockings. Wine corks can be hot glued into the shape of reindeer, while tin cans painted in festive hues become candle holders or vases. The possibilities are endless when you view household items with an artistic eye. This approach not only saves money but also reduces waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. Your decorations will be unique, reflecting your resourcefulness and creativity. Budget-friendly decorations do more than save money, they bring out the heart of the holiday season. Each DIY project, upcycled ornament, or natural element reflects the joy of crafting something special with love. These decorations carry stories, evoke memories, and embody the essence of the holidays. By embracing creativity and innovation, you'll find that the most beautiful decorations aren't the most expensive but the most heartfelt. This Christmas, let your decor be a celebration of resourcefulness, family, and joy.